Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the band type and why it matters. Removable links require pin removal, micro-adjust clasps use small spring bars. Once done, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Make sure to arrange tools, pin pusher, small hammer, spring bar tool, within reach. You'll save time and reduce mistakes. You want steady light and a dish for pins. Now identify the link direction arrows and choose which link, S, to remove to keep symmetry and fit. You'll remove pins following the arrow direction on the inner links. This prevents bending. Use the pin pusher, align it, and tap gently until the pin protrudes enough to pull free. Once a link is free, separate it and count removed links on each side to keep the clasp centered. Make sure to try the watch on after each change so you can gauge comfort. If it still feels loose, remove another link, but do it one at a time to avoid over-shortening. To finish, reconnect the band sections and reinsert pins so they sit flush. Tap them gently until they're secure and even. Once reassembled, fasten the watch and move your wrist to ensure the clasp stays centered and comfortable. If it tilts, rebalance by swapping a link to the other side or adding a half link if available. If a pin feels loose, you can try a tiny dab of removable thread locker or fit a replacement pin. If problems persist, consult a jeweler for press-fit pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.